I'm very excited for this session, the beginning of the end of mind identification. On this session, I want to explore our real being prior to the thinking mind and the concepts that it projects. We're going to discern our real being from all that comes and goes, especially thoughts and the concepts that thoughts are constantly projecting. So we're going to almost fast or take a break, step out of all opinions, all ideas, judgments, descriptions, desires, motives, all even seeking for the next realization, wanting something or to arrive somewhere as a person. And we're going to see, in the absence of all those concepts, what am I still present as? What am I still aware as, even when all those concepts are absent? So, this gives us a new added dimension to our understanding of ourselves, because even when the mind once again becomes active, we are able to better discern what I am present as, even when those thoughts are there. We no longer just instantly identify with all of these thoughts and the ideas that they are projecting. So this is what I would like to focus on in this session very experientially. We'll do a guided meditation where we step by step relax away from the mind and sink deeply into this self-awareness that we are talking about. And then we'll have a discussion regarding, how to bring this more and more so into our daily lives. So very excited and would love for everyone to join us there.